Good morning student. I am Mrs. Amita Rajdan from New Catholic Mission School, Jhabua. Today we are starting the term second book and chapter number first. The chapter first is measurement. Measurement children you already studied in previous classes. In third class you learn the basic units of measurement. In this chapter today we will learn the basic units of measurement. Rather besides in addition to basic units we learn the other units of measurement. So children, the basic unit of measurement, length is meter and mass is gram and capacity is liter. Children, you know length. We measure the things by using the units. So length, mass and capacity. Which things we are measure in length? We measure the length of cloth, rod and rope. All these things we measure in length. Measure this board, this table, this duster, only this length we measure in length. So the basic unit of length is meter. And mass, what things we are measure in mass? Grain, vegetables, and we use the weighting machine and the balance, spring balance, all these things we are used to measure the mass. And capacity, all the liquid things are measured in capacity. The basic units of capacity is liter. Liquid things, water, oil, milk, all these things are we measure in capacity. So the bigger unit of length is kilometer and the smaller unit is millimeter. Smaller unit is millimeter and this kilogram. Bigger unit is kilogram and the smaller unit is milligram and kiloliter. Kiloliter is the bigger unit and milliliter is the smaller unit. So children, first to convert in this chapter we will learn the how to convert the bigger unit to the lower unit and lower unit to the bigger unit. So for that we learn the basic units of a basic unit and all the units of a measurement. So kilo, hecto, deca, and these are basic units, deci, centi and millimeter. So for learning you have to learn the K, H, D and B for basic units and D, C, M. You have to learn this order so you can easily learn the units of a measurement. K for kiloliter and kilometer and kilogram, and H for hectometer, hectogram and hectoliter, and D for decameter, decagram and decaliter, and these are basic units, meter, gram and liter, and D for deci, decimeter, deciliter and decigram, and C for centimeter, centigram and centiliter, and M for millimeter, milligram and milliliter. So you have to, in this way you can learn easily learn the units of a measurement. So here this 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter and 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter and 1 decimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 part of a meter and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 part of a meter and 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 part of a meter. You can add all the basic units of meter, gram and liter of this unit. So every unit is a 10 times bigger than the previous unit. For example, 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer and 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter and 1 decameter is equal to 1 meter and 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter and 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So children, you have to how to convert the units. When you go from bigger unit to the lower unit, you have to multiply. अगर हम लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड में चेंज करेंगे यूनिट्स को तो मल्टीप्लाई करना एंड इफ वी चेंज द स्मॉलर यूनिट टू द बिगर यूनिट यू हैव टू divide. So let's take an example children how we divide the units. For example, eight kilometer, 16 centimeter to centimeter. So children, 8 kilometer. These are the bigger unit. So kilometer, hectometer and decameter, all three are bigger unit, and decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, all three are smaller unit. So we have to change kilometer. Here is kilometer and we have to change to centimeter. किस में change करना है? Centimeter में. तो where is centimeter? Here. Here is the centimeter. So we can, how we change? 1 kilometer is equal to how many centimeter? How we know? So read 1, here is the kilometer and here is centimeter and here is kilometer. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times we jump here. So 1 kilometer is equal to, first you write the 1 and put the 5 zeros. 4 and 5. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. Children, you know. One time we read 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is the centimeter. So first you write the 1 and put the 5 zeros. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. So 8 kilometer is equal to 8 into 1 lakh. So 8 lakh plus 16. 16 is already in centimeter. Then you plus it. So 8 kilometer 16 centimeter is equal to 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. 8 lakh 16 centimeter. Take one more example. Then we take the smaller unit to the bigger unit. 3000 millimeter to centimeter. So where is the millimeter here? Here. So these are the smaller unit and change into centimeter. Here also we have to change the millimeter to the centimeter. Then we come from this side to this side. अभी हमको इस साइड से इस साइड चेंज करना है. Then so 1 millimeter equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So here one jump only here 1. Here millimeter and here centimeter. We have only one jump here. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 part of a centimeter. Why we put here 1 upon 10? Because we have to divide it. इस साइड से इस साइड डिवाइड करना, इस साइड से इस साइड जाना तो मल्टीप्लाई करना. सो 3000 millimeter equal to 1/10 into 3000 centimeter. So divide it 300 centimeter. Understand, children? So 1.1 here the fill in the blanks is there. Height of a post box is 165 centimeter to millimeter. Here centimeter here and here millimeter. So this is the bigger unit and this is the smaller unit. So what we have to do? We have to multiply centimeter to bigger unit. This side se jana. Here centimeter and here millimeter. So how many time we jump? Only one time. Centimeter to millimeter. So 165 multiply by 10. So 165 0. 1 tens 100,000 1650. Now length of an umbrella 75 centimeter to meter. 75 सेंटीमीटर किस में चेंज करना है? मीटर में. वेयर इज सेंटीमीटर हियर? हियर. अंडरस्टैंड? हियर सेंटीमीटर है, हियर मीटर. दिस वन इज मीटर. सो हाउ मेनी टाइम वी जम्प? 1 and 2. सो 75 इस साइड से इस साइड जाना, देन मल्टीप्लाई, डिवाइड. So when we divide 75 upon 100, so we will get the 0.075. Divide here. Zero 0.75 meter. meter. Now we will do the addition. That you already studied in previous classes. 23 meter and no centimeter here, so put the 0, and 10 meter and 3 centimeter. (33 meter). In the same way you will do the subtraction. meter, no centimeter, 7 meter and 40 centimeter. Do the subtraction. 9 here, 10 minus here you put the 0, 10 and here 4. So 10 minus 4, 6. And here 14 minus 7, 7 meter. Okay. Now multiply. How you do the multiply? 3 hectometer, 3 decameter and 5 meter, decimeter. Multiply by 7. Express answer in hectometer. Hectometer. So children, 3 hectometer, 3 decameter and 5 decimeter multiply by 7. Express answer in hectometer. इसका आंसर आपको हेक्टोमीटर में फाइंड करना है. So 3 is already in hectometer. So first you change this decameter and decimeter into hectometer. So how you change? Decameter. Where is decameter here? Decameter. Decameter to decimeter. Here decimeter. So only 1 and 2. 2 jump is there. So first you multiply. कहाँ से जाना हमको? Decameter. Sorry. Decameter to hectometer. We change the decameter to the hectometer. We have to make all the units in hectometer. So this side. So only one jump here. So 1 decameter. Here we do 1 decameter equal to 1 upon 10 hectometer. Only one jump is here, this side. So 3 decameter equal to 1 upon 10 multiply by 3 or 3 upon 10, that is 3, 0.3. When you divide the 3 by 10, you will get the 0.3. And 5 decimeter. 1 decimeter equal to how many hectometer? Where is decimeter? Here. So here hectometer. 1, 2 and 3. So 1 decimeter is equal to 1000 hectometer. So 5 decimeter equal to 1 upon 1000 hectometer. Or you divide the 5 upon 1000. So you will get the, when you divide the 1000, you will get the 0.0. You will get 0.005. So first you plus it, 3 hectometer plus 0.3 hectometer plus 0.05 hectometer. Then you will get, when you plus it, then you will get the 3.305 हेक्टोमीटर. हेयर यू कैन प्लस इट, प्लस करके हम देख सकते हैं इसको 0.3005 एंड 3 503.3. Same answer is here. So 3.305 you multiply by 7. 7 5s are 35. Carry 3. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 3. Now 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3 24. And put the decimal ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. So this answer in hectometer. So in this way you first, children, I hope that you understand the how to convert the bigger unit to the lower unit and lower unit to the higher unit. So children, this your chapter is completed, and from next class we will take the next chapter.